The Realme GT7 Pro has firmly established itself as the ultimate flagship killer in the competitive smartphone market, combining cutting-edge features with an aggressive price point that challenges even the most premium devices. At its core is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering unmatched performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. This is complemented by up to 16 GB of RAM and an expansive 1 TB of storage, ensuring the phone remains future-proof for years to come. The 6.78-inch Eco 2 OLED Plus display, developed by Samsung, offers stunning visuals with deep contrasts and exceptional clarity, boasting an industry-leading peak brightness of 6,000 nits, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the GT7 Pro's powerful triple-camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization for crystal-clear shots, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for detailed close-ups, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens for expansive landscape photography. Adding to its versatility is an innovative underwater photography mode, made possible by its IP68/IP69 certification, allowing users to capture incredible images and videos even in aquatic environments. Battery life is another area where the GT7 Pro excels, packing a massive 6,500 mAh battery that supports blazing fast 120W charging, achieving 50% charge in just 14 minutes. The device runs on Realme UI 6.0, based on the latest Android 15, delivering a smooth and intuitive software experience with a host of customization options. Its sleek, modern design and impeccable build quality further enhance its appeal, making it a perfect blend of style and substance. With its flagship-grade features, premium design, and a price tag that undercuts the competition, the Realme GT7 Pro redefines what consumers can expect from a high-performance smartphone.